Attorneys David Siegel and Jesse Barrientos discuss divorce and family law. Be sure to stay tuned because at the end of this short video, you will have the opportunity to request a free copy of their book, Divorce and Family Law: Who Has the Legal Right When Things Go Terribly Wrong. When would this mix with a divorce case? Or is this something they do separately?
Well, there's a whole bunch of interplay with that, but before we kind of go into that, we need to explain just a little bit about going in for your order of protection. You fill out the forms and you file it as an emergency. An emergency order of protection basically is saying, hey, listen, I'm asking the court to grant this on an emergency basis, ex parte. That means just one-sided, without the other side participating. And the reason for that, I'm saying, is because, okay, here, Judge, if I let the other person have notice, he's going to do the exact same thing that I'm afraid that he's going to do, that I've alleged in the order of protection. And depending upon the evidence, the judge, it's a verified petition, and the judge is going to ask me some questions about that and look, and if the allegations are sufficient to sustain the entry of an order of protection, the court is going to enter an emergency order of protection. That brings up another concern.
Yeah, who has notice?
Well, and it's for an emergency, is for 21 days. But in order for it to be effective against the other person has to be served with it. And generally they'll give it to the sheriff to go and serve that person, but until that person is served, they can't violate it because they haven't been personally served. The court doesn't have what they call personal jurisdiction over that individual.
Call now to request a free copy of the book, Divorce and Family Law. You may also call to schedule a free initial consultation, 847-520-8100, 847-520-8100.